Hey there, Zootastic friends, welcome back to the channel where animals take center stage, facts get wild, and no hoof, claw or whisker goes unnoticed. Today we're stepping into the grassy savannas of Africa, without leaving the Allwetter Zoo Münster in Germany though, to meet one of the most majestic antelopes you've probably never heard of. Get ready for the one, the only, the Defassa Waterbuck. Now I know what you're thinking. Water what? Trust me, once you've met this fabulous furball with a built-in toilet seat pattern, you'll never forget the name again. And let's start with appearances, shall we? The Defassa Waterbuck is like the bodybuilder of the antelope world. Big, burly and proudly fluffy. With a reddish-brown coat, a wide muzzle and a thick neck that screams, "Do not skip gym day," this is one animal that brings the wow factor without even trying. And yes, we have to talk about the backside. The Defassa Waterbuck is famous, yes, famous, for the big white ring on its rear end. It's like someone drew a perfect circle on their butt with chalk and said, "Good luck unseeing this." People often joke it looks like they sat on a freshly painted toilet seat. But in the animal kingdom, this bold fashion statement actually helps the herd stay together in tall grass. Just follow the circle and you won't get lost. Here at the Allwetter Zoo Münster, these beauties roam in a spacious savanna enclosure that recreates their natural environment. You'll often see them lounging near the water or standing tall like four-legged statues. And why near the water, you ask? Because waterbucks, true to their name, are total aqua fans. They love being near rivers, lakes and wetlands. In fact, when danger approaches, they'll often run straight into the water to escape predators. Who needs fight or flight when you've got a personal swimming pool? But here's the twist. Waterbucks have a very particular scent. How do I put this gently? They smell strong, and not in a nice cologne kind of way. They produce an oily secretion from their skin that acts like natural bug spray. It smells so bad that even lions sometimes think twice. Basically, they are the antelope version of "you can't sit with us." And now let's talk horns. Only the males grow those long, beautiful, spiral-shaped horns that look like they were designed by nature's top sculptor. They use them to spar with rivals during mating season, engaging in dramatic slow-motion battles that would put any gladiator movie to shame, even part 2 now. But don't worry, fights rarely get deadly. Most of the time, it's more like, "Bro, do you even antelope?" and less like, "I challenge you to the death." And speaking of love, waterbucks are all about territory. Males set up shop in a good patch of grass and water and wait for the ladies to wander through. It's less dating app and more real estate-based romance. Location, location, location. And here's a quick fun fact to impress your friends. Defassa waterbucks are ruminants. That means they chew their food twice. They swallow it, bring it back up as cut, and chew again. It's like giving your salad a second chance. Nature's original food critic. And sadly, like many species, waterbucks face threats in the wild from habitat loss and poaching. But thanks to places like the Allwetter Zoo Münster, these magnificent animals have a chance to inspire the next generation of wildlife protectors. And every visitor who stops to admire them, who reads their story, who falls a little bit in love with that silly white ring, becomes part of the solution. So the next time you visit the zoo, don't just stroll past the savannah. Stop, take a moment and appreciate the power, beauty and comedy of the Defassa Waterbuck. And trust me, once you've seen that behind, you'll never look back. And that's it for today's Zootastic episode here on Zootastic. And if you enjoyed our wild safari through Münster, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our animal loving community and hit that bell so you never miss a roar, squeak or whistle. Until next time, stay curious, stay goofy, and as always, stay wild.